Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. It's so happy to see you again here. Yes, I'm Caitlin from Shuma, China. We specialize in the common rail inject. Yes, if you are already our old friend, maybe you already know about that. Okay, and today I want to share you some of our product. This is our control valve. Wow. If you're interested about it, please follow me, okay? Let's check the details first. First, I will show you the package bags. Yes, package bags is important, right? And we package them with the VCI anti-rust bags. Yes, on the bags, this part is the logos. The first line of the logo is Shumat brand logo. If you want to print your own logo, yes, contact us. Because with Shumat, we can help you to design your logo, the label, and package bag, and so on. Yes, if you have these demands, remember to contact us, okay? And on this part, it's the model numbers. The model number is F00VC01007, and on this part, it's a product name, common rail valve. This line, it's the application inject model numbers. It's 0445110022 and 0445110023. Okay. On this part, this is a QR code. The QR code, you can use your phone to scan it, and you will find more information about our product. Okay. Let's check the inside details, okay? The inside, I got it, the inside part. Look at this one, these transparent bottles we packaged with. And for these packages, don't worry about anything we heard it during the transportations. You can open it in this way. You can spin. Yeah, okay. It come out. This is our product. We packed with oil paper. Look at this one. This is a whole side of our control valve. Yes, we not only seal in the whole side, but also we seal in the separate part. The separate part, first look at the valve cap. Okay. Separated from the whole side. Okay, this is a valve cap. For our valve cap, there has the coating on this part, and also with the curved letters. Yep, really good. Okay, on this part is the valve rod. For our valve rod, we have different lengths. We have different size. If you have the demands, like if you want other sizes, yes, just contact us, okay? I'm waiting for your news. Just contact us, because we supply the customized services. Actually, each items, before we seal it, we will test it many times. Yeah, don't worry about the qualities, okay? Yeah, any questions, any demand, just contact us. We will try our best to meet with your needs, okay? So much for our today's product introductions. Actually, we have many model numbers of our product, right? If you are not familiar with our product, you can send us the product code or the numbers, and we can help you to check it. If you also you can download the app. That may be much convenient for you. Yes. Also, you can contact us. We can help you to check it. It's okay. 2 ways. And actually, here, Caitlin have 3 tips I want to share with you about our valve assembly. Yes, the first tip is if you want to clean the control valve and the injector, you'd better use the oil to clean it. Yep. The second tip is make sure the valve cap in the right positions. The third tip is if you want to install the control valve, right, you'd better to make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly after assembly. the inject bodies. Okay, that's all the tips that I want to share with you. Actually, each week we have different videos and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. If you like Caitlin's videos, if you like our product, remember to follow us at our channel, okay? Yes, so that you can, each week we will see each other, okay? And except that we also supply the injector, the nozzle, repair kit, pumps, the parts for the pumps, and the control valve we are showing today. Yes, any items if you are interested, remember to contact us, okay? And follow us at our channel. Okay, so much for today's product sharing. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you next time, guys.